Sort of do just like quick walkthrough on how I've done the electronics for the HQ. I'm running a LS up the front using a standard VX Commodore ECU. Now that's a nice simple ECU for me. Came out of an exec manual, so it works well with my Turbo 400. Trying to keep everything as neat as possible as far as wiring goes. It's not going to be too much you're going to be able to see. Now, the front here, of course, there's relays and stuff involved with these things, so relay box hiding up here under the security tank. Nice and small, 6 relays in that, 6 fuses. There's an extra relay outside of that that will fit in there. Runs on a, will be sermo fans, so there'll be 2 relays there, extra fan for the transcooler, and the rest of the relays in there for headlights. Just other factory circuits that weren't really up to it. Wiring, I've got it poking through the firewall, a bit hard to see, into the spot where the old column shift used to pop through. Now, the harness, not real sure whether it's going to be good enough or not. Aftermarket standalone harness, all seems to plug in alright. The idle motor is chattering, sounds like it's all doing the right things. I need a few bits and pieces of my fuel system before I can get that fired up to find out. Still waiting on some transcooler lines as well. But as far as the ECU went, I did manage to hide that inside fairly well. Though HQ dashes aren't known for being huge behind. Will be an SS clone this car eventually, that's what I've got for a little bit of a touch in there. The glove box, yeah, it's a bit better. The glove box, they aren't real big. If I put the ECU in there, I will have no room left at all. But I'll poke just inside there, you can see where I've stuck the ECU. Now you've got a nice big flat panel in the side HQ there, in between the dash, sort of glove box area. And I did just put a nice piece of aluminium bar that's just glued in there, Sigaflexed. Put a couple of nutsets in that, mounted the ECU there. A couple of relays at the back there, fuses inside. Dash still looks tricky every time. Yeah, I've just stashed the ECU fusing up there. There's only one relay up there now, just the main tower one. I've moved the fuel pump relay elsewhere. Factory wiring still in place up there. Just see where I've got that coming through the firewall there. I'll tuck that harness up a little bit better, I think. But the as far as the Envision dash goes, Envision dash talking to the LS ECU, talking to the factory harness. It's quite a mission itself getting all those 3 things to work together, but all seems to be working quite nicely so far. Did put another fuse box, relay box in the boot. Got a nice battery mount there for the Optima. Nice and solid, isolator, and be another relay box in there. These things are quite nice to set up. Plenty of options there, so will be 6 circuits running up here. Only 2 of them are in use at the moment. Be a few spares for things that add on later, line locks and whatever else. Nice big battery cable. Got some 70mm copper running up to the front. Probably would have been easier on the hoist. You just make it out down there, maybe. Might have been easier on the hoist, but you can just make it out down there. There's a little junction block down there, which I've got my main battery lead running up to. So running to the starter, 50mm running over to the starter, and the rest of the wires that I need running for the ECU and my other control boxes are running off of that. Save everything running up to the starter and getting that all clogged up. Alternator's nice and simple. Now let's get a run straight off of that, across the subframe, and over to another junction block underneath the relay box. I think it's looking quite neat for an EFI engine bay. All the wiring across the back there, you can see, here's just stock HQ Holden stuff. I tried not to do anything crazy with the factory stuff. Didn't want to hide too much, leaving it all nice and standard. It's easy to fault find. It is the original wiring harness, so not exactly the most reliable things. But as far as the LS stuff goes, that's all hidden nicely. It's nice as it's going to get for exposed coils, I suppose. But yeah, not too bad.